Sibukeli so namhlanje sinomfundisi Bana. So umfundisi namhlanje siphatheleni.
Engathanda ukukhuthaza kubalaleli ngiqale ngibonge ithuba nami ngixolisa ngokuba late ngibonge ithuba engilitholile. Unfortunately isikhathi asivumi kodwa nje engizokukhuthaza kulemizuzwe esele ukuthi uJesu uyinkosi. Abantu bazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu esimkhonza uNkulunkulu onecebo elihle ngempilo zethu. Just ukukhuthaza abalaleli ukuthi ngithanda izwi likaJobe lapha ku42 uverse 2 uthi ngiyazi ungenza konke necebo lakho alinakuvinjwa muntu. Into nje engifuna ukuyikhuthaza ebantwini ukuthi wonke umuntu ophila ngaphansi komthunzi welanga nomuntu ophila emhlabeni umuntu osecebeni likaNkulunkulu. And ngifuna ukukhuthaza abalaleli ukuthi a delay is not a denial. uNkulunkulu osebenza ngesikhathi. Isikhathi sikaNkulunkulu masifikile sifikile. God himself has a purpose. uJeremiah siyakhumbula uthi I know the plans that I have for you, plans not to harm you but to give you good future and hope. So ebengizokukhuthaza kubalaleli, I know kunabantu esiphila nabo kulesikhathi samanje who are hopeless. People that are discouraged, abantu ba wounded, balimele, but there is God of hope, there is God of good timing. If you feel like empilweni yakho you are rejected, God is the father of the fatherless. So ngifuna ukukhuthaza ukuthi icebo likaThixo alinavinjwa muntu. Noma abantu bangathini, noma ngabe udlule kwesiphi isimo, noma ngabe abanye mhlambe empilweni yakho bahambela kahle izinto azikahambeli kahle, believe in the timing of God. And then you will see when the time is right, God will make it.
Wow, siyabonga mfundisi.
Sisithini manje.
Hayi vale kahle.
Ngakhohlwa i-16 zakaJune, you are watching this, you are discouraged, awazi ukuthi wenze njani, impilo imile, uzamile nokuya nasey'nyangeni, nothing is working out. U-native aid uphasile, nothing is working out. Remember ukuthi kunegama that defeats anything and everything that comes our way. Because umfundiso obesinaye manje ukhulume enye into ukuthi uAdam ukhonile ukudala, okusho ukuthi ibhubesi leli, indlovu lena yini. Angithi kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi asidale umuntu afane nathi asifuse, ukuthi uyakhona ukudala as a person, which means i-situation embi uyakhona ukuyidala ibe i-situation enhle. Ngalawo magama siyabhala ma-shifters till the next episode.